Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea with Keurig Easy Guide. Start by selecting a bold teapot and a large cup, then brew a concentrated shot using the smallest brew size. Pour the hot concentrate over ice immediately to chill and dilute to taste. Stir gently, add sweetener or lemon if desired, and serve with additional ice. Enjoy a quick, refreshing iced tea made with your Keurig at home. Making iced tea with a Keurig lets you control strength and sweetness easily. Brew a concentrated shot by selecting the smallest cup size and pour over a packed glass of ice. While the brew is still warm, stir in simple syrup or honey so it dissolves smoothly. Finish with a squeeze of lemon or a sprig of mint for freshness. Taste and adjust sweetness or dilution until it matches your preference, then enjoy. If you are enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more quick kitchen tricks. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to simplify tidy-ups between tea breaks. It pairs nicely with a busy routine when you want effortless floors while you relax. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Serve your Keurig iced tea in tall glasses filled with fresh ice for a crisp presentation. For a sparkling twist, top the chilled concentrate with sparkling water and a citrus wheel. To make a pitcher, brew several concentrated shots and combine them in a jug over ice, then refrigerate for an hour to meld flavors. Experiment with green, herbal, or black pods and sweeteners until you find your go-to iced tea combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.